people start off with love of the extent of Laila and Majnun. People live happily ever after, and a little behavior becomes wrong, all the love disappears. So, worldly love is like that. Divine love will never disappear because it is selfless. Piya mol amolak lijiye, piya mol amolak lijiye.
अमोलक लीजिए, पिया मोल अमोलक लीजिए।
पिया मोल 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 अमोलक लीजिए, पिया मोल अमोलक लीजिए।
So the writer is saying that your divine beloved, get from him a priceless treasure. Divine beloved is the Supreme Lord. Whether you look on him as Sri Krishna, Sri Ram, Lord Shiv, Narayan, he possesses one special treasure. That is what you are interested in. Even if he wants to give anything else, refuse. Because they are all traps. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Krishna yadi chhute bhakte bhukti mukti diya. If Sri Krishna wants to be released from the devotee, he gives worldly boons or liberation. Krishna bhakti kabhu nahi de rakhe na lukaiya. He keeps Krishna bhakti hidden, not letting anybody know that he has got it. And why so? Because if anyone asks for Krishna bhakti and he has to give it, he will become a servant of that devotee. Let's give the example of Surdas. Surdas, he lived in Vrindavan and he used to do bhajans in people's homes. So once he was doing a bhajan like this. Now he was a blind poet. After the satsang was over, everybody dispersed. They forgot their responsibility to take this Baba to his hut in Parasoli, the village where he would live, in Braj. Surdas, being saintly natured, was not to trouble anyone. He took his stick and started walking out. In front there was a pit. If he had taken a few steps more, he would have fallen. Now God is in everybody's hearts, noting everything. He protects the little ant and ensures it gets food every day. He ensures that the big elephant also gets food daily. God thought, my devotee in Vrindavan will fall in a ditch and he has to do so much of my work. Surdas is reputed to have written 75,000 bhajans. So Sri Krishna manifested in a boyish form and caught his stick and said, Baba, you will fall in a ditch. Why are you not careful? Surdas said, Beta, you have saved my life. Thank you so much. Sri Krishna said, Baba, let me take you to your home. All right, let's go. Now on the way, Surdas said, Beta, what is the weather like? Sri Krishna said, very nice. But so many stars in the sky. So Surdas said, Beta, what do you do? I graze the cows. I am Gopal. What is your name? Sri Krishna thought, if I say what my name is, Krishna, then he will think that my Ishtadev has come. So he diverted the topic. He said, call me by any name. What do you mean? I mean, my parents forgot to give me a name, so you can open to all names. Now Surdas started thinking that he has got such a wonderful voice. This must be my Giridhari. So he thought, for long I have been singing Darshan De Do Giridhari, now he has come. So on his lathi, he started enhancing his hand. Sri Krishna looked at that and said, this Baba is so smart, I was giving a little finger, he wants the whole hand. So he chucked the stick and ran. And laughingly said, you can't catch me like that. Big yogis spend their whole life Yam, Niyam, Asan, Pranayam, Pratyar, Dharan, Dhyan, Samadhi. Even in their Samadhi, they don't get my darshan. And you just want to catch me like that? Surdas was not to be outdone with the faith that comes from bhakti, from love. So he doesn't care for karma kant. I have not done Achman, etc. He only knows I love Sri Krishna. So he challenged Sri Krishna on the basis of that love. He said, Haath chhudaye jaat ho, nibal jani ke mohi. You are running away thinking me to be an old and weak man. There is no bravery in this. Anybody can do it. Hirday tej bajahuge mard badango tohi. If you run from my heart, I will accept you as a man. Mard. Which means he challenged God, you cannot run from my heart. Now what happens in the world? People start off with love of the extent of Laila and Majnun. We will live happily ever after. And a little behavior becomes wrong, all the love disappears. So, worldly love is like that. Divine love will never disappear because it is selfless. So the devotee says, my Lord, you are free to behave with me however you wish. Kripaluji Maharaj says, Chahe mama आलिंगन कर लो, चाहे मम प्राणन ही हर लो, चाहे जी भर कर तड़पा लो, मोहि काम श्याम गुण गाने से. So he says that, look, Sri Krishna, you are mine, no matter how you behave with me. So Surdas challenged Sri Krishna. You are not all powerful. You don't have the power to get out of my heart. Because I have got prem and you are under the prem. Sri Krishna was very impressed. God is only impressed by love, nothing else. Swami Vivekananda has written a poem, from sight of God, thy knowledge, man, I value not. It is thy love I fear. It is love alone that shakes my throne and brings God to human tear. For love, behold, the Lord of all, formless, ever free, is forced to take the human form and play and love with thee. Because of the devotee's love, God descends. भाव का भूखा हूँ मैं और भाव ही बस सार है. So that is why he takes avatar hai. Oh, Sri Krishna went and said to Radha ji that there is this devotee in our Braj called Surdas, and he has challenged me. You cannot get out of my heart. Radha ji said, I am also impressed. Let me also have darshan. And Sri Krishna warned her, he is slightly chalu. He can anytime try to grab with his hand. Radha ji said, I will be careful. So now Surdas was sitting in his hut. Radhe Govind Radhe Shyam, Mere Thakur Govind Thakurani Radhe, and Radha ji was coming up. Suddenly Surdas heard the ankle bell of Radharani. God's ornaments are not made of mud. Your ornaments that you have, this gold, diamond and all, is all aberrations of mud, which means the mud in the earth's crust, when pressure was applied for 1,000,000 years, something became diamond, etc. So this is mud that you are wearing. In the case of God, it is a saint who has taken that form and is serving. So in Radhaji's pile, that saint is creating the harmonics that are unsurpassable. Surdas, he heard and he said, oh my God, Radha Thakurani is coming. So he said, let her come, I will catch her now. Mere Thakur Govind Thakurani Radhe. Until the sound came within arm's length. So he dropped the manjira to grab Radhaji's feet. But Radhaji had been forewarned, she jumped back. But her pile came in Surdas's hand. So Radhaji said, Baba, now take pity on me, I have to go for Sri Krishna's Basantotsav, give it to me. Surdas said, how do I know it's yours? I am blind. I don't know how many ladies are standing here. The other may say, why have you given my pile to her? If you want the pile back, you will have to give darshan. So I understand who you are and what your powers are. Mukam karoti vachalam. By your power, a dumb can speak. Pangum langhayate girim. The lame can cross a mountain. So give me darshan. Sri Krishna stood by the side of Radhaji and blessed Surdas. You win, we lose. Like Sri Krishna said to Bhishma, you win, I lose. I am breaking my vow for you. He bestowed divine vision and Surdas saw Yugal Sarkar. So he had tears in his eyes. He seeing his Lord. After all these years of worship direct with physical eyes, he had darshan in his heart many times. Sri Krishna allowed him darshan for 5 minutes and then said, ask for a boon. When God is pleased, when he meets a devotee first time, he will say, what do you want? He will see where does the devotee's intellect go to. God, make me as rich as Elon Musk, etc. So he said, Surdas, what do you want? Now he asked Kunti Devi, what do you want? Kunti said, give me misery. So Surdas said, Maharaj, make me blind again. Sri Krishna said, I have given you vision 5 minutes ago. Surdas said, Maharaj, I was blind since birth. I never saw anything in my life. First time these eyes have sighted anything, it is Yugal Sarkar. Now I don't want to see anything further with these eyes, so that your form resides in my eyes forever. As one poet says, तुम्हें देखा तो औरों को किन आँखों से हम देखें, ये आँखें फूट जाएं अगर इन आँखों से हम देखें. That is Ananya Bhakti. Oh, Krishna made Surdas blind again, but that is the power of love. It binds God. When a devotee has love, he is no longer God, he comes to the level of the devotee. And without love, he is the master of the three worlds. And when love comes, then Ras Khan writes, look at how the gopis are making Krishna dance. Shesh, Mahesh, Ganesh, Dinesh, Suresh hu jahi narantar dhyave. Big personalities meditate on him. Jahi anadi anant akhand ached abhed suved batave. Narad se shuk vyas rate pachihari tau par na pave. Tahi ahir ki chohriyan chachiya bhari chach pe nach na jave. The same Bhagavan is dancing for chach. What is chach? Ask the Gujaratis. From dahi you remove the butter and what is left is chach. Is it something to dance about? But that is the power of love. So he says, look, you have an opportunity to get that love from your Supreme Beloved.